bigger and bigger. WPFFshows.com. We got a lot of material for Fit for Night. Oh, look at this. Mr. Nick Carter forgot his jewelry. Tuck right in there, gals. Thanks for joining us, Nick. Great job. Wish you all the best on that tour. Okay, ladies. Okay. Keep sliding right around to the end. This looks like a typical Saturday night, doesn't it?